Hi. So today we're gonna see how a garage door opener works. If you had asked this question, well, this is the answer. Oh no. Okay. So this is like when you look from up the garage, this is what it looks like. The wheel, chain drive or the chain or the belt, and you know that this thing that's right on top of the motor. These small dots are the nails that's holding the rail over here, and this is like the controller. These are eye sensors. We're gonna talk about that a little later. First, we're gonna see what did you think the chain looks like? Something like this or something like this? So the chain really looks something like this. Yep. So let's go on. First, we have the chain or the belt. Look like this. One end of the chain or the belt attaches over here. Okay? Then it goes over here, wraps around this small pulley. This is the motor, just so you know. It wraps around this, comes over here, and it attaches to the other side. So when the chain goes on, look, it goes on, it pushes this, and this goes on too, and it takes this off. It pulls it. You might never notice, but there's two pulleys. One pulley over here, another one over here. So when this wraps around over here, it comes over here to another pulley. Just look closely from the other end of the wheel, and you will see this pulley. What will you really see? Well, you'll see a hole and a small pulley in it, and the chain or the belt wrapping around it. Yeah. So these small stuff are staples. You're gonna see staples from your eye sensors. If you want to change your opener, you'll have to look at like the mount of your sensors and your controller over here, wall controller. Cause you don't want to mess these up with a new opener if you're not gonna change everything up. Okay? So in this case, this comes over here to this eye sensor, and something just before this dot comes here to this eye sensor, and this dot over here comes here and there to the wall controller. Yep, it's like that. I hope you enjoyed, and I just want to show you some openers that I know, but I'm just gonna write them on the other side of this paper. First, there is, okay, I think this pen is broken. Even I use a red one, doesn't matter. First, there is Craftsman, the one that we have. Then there is Liftmaster. Okay, there is Liftmaster. It's like two words, funny. Then there is Chamberlain. I don't really know them all, but I know the most popular ones. Wait. Okay. After Chamberlain, everyone likes Liner and Wayne Dalton. Let's see. Line. Wayne Dilton. I think, yeah, there's sometimes that are Wayne Dilton. Liner, there's a lot. After Wayne Dilton, there is before Marantec. I mess up with garage door openers that I created. Funny. Okay, I forgot this one. Then after Wayne Dilton is Marantec. These are all upside down. Oh no, they're not. Oh, I think they are. So we have, I'll just use something like this. Old pencil. Craftsman, Liftmaster, Chamberlain, Liner, Wayne Dilton, Marantec. So these are the most popular garage door openers. And they come line and line. Wait, first, you mean like Chamberlain is the most popular one? It's Chamberlain. The second more popular one is Liftmaster. Then it's Crafton. Then it's Liner. Then it's Wayne Dilton. Then it's Marantec. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye.